Are you ready, Christian? You ready up there, Alex? If it does fire off? Okay, give it a try. It's enough juice. Come on.
2, 1.
Oh! What's going on, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to what I guess will be another V12 Mercedes acquisition video.
Oh my goodness, that is hard to believe. This makes number 3.
Another one.
And it might be the best deal yet. We don't know for sure yet.
We're about to go pick it up. As you can see, we're in an airport. We are flying to Chicago because tomorrow morning we are taking delivery of this Mercedes S600. But this one is not just your average S600 like our last one. This one has
twin turbos.
Oh, twin turbo V12 Mercedes for, as they can see in the title, $3,000. So we'll tell you more about the car and the deal later, but we are told that it doesn't currently drive because it needs a serpentine belt. Will it need more things beyond that?
Is that a trick question?
Possibly. It's a V12 Mercedes, those things always break, but if it just needs a serpentine belt, this could be a home run.
That's the thing, because it doesn't start up and run right now, so we don't know, is it going to need more once we do get it started?
We're about to find out. So in 4 hours, we will be landing in Chicago, and what other big YouTuber who knows Mercedes really well happens to be in Chicago?
Legit Street Car.
Yes, sir. So our buddy Alex from Legit Street Cars is gonna be picking us up at O'Hare at 6 a.m. and we are driving up to go pick this car up. And if it just needs that serpentine belt, we'll hopefully fix it on the spot and drive the car away. And just like that, we made it to Chicago where it is freezing cold. Who didn't tell me that shorts was gonna be a bad idea?
In life, everyone has a choice.
We're exhausted right now. It's 5:58 a.m. Chicago time. Alex should, oh, there he is coming. He's picking us up in his most reliable car in the garage. That being a BMW 335i.
Oh, looks good.
Yes. Oh, look at that. That's the best Uber pickup there could possibly be. Hello. Thank you for the pickup. Legit Street Cars.
Ooh. It's no E55 wagon, but
oh no.
Oh, it works. Oh, I've sat in the back of our E93 many a time.
1 hour later.
All right, exiting off the highway, made it to Wisconsin.
Just over the border in Wisconsin where the car is. Alex, you ready for this thing?
I'm ready.
You got some tools in the back?
we are the official roadside assistants in a BMW going to a Mercedes.
Oh,
kind of
my
weird.
goodness. Okay, so you're asking some questions about this car, but the most important part is we never told you how much we paid for this car.
No, you didn't.
What do you think this is worth if we get it fixed up? Just a clean title at 600.
How many miles?
120,000.
6,500 bucks. Obviously, it was way less than that. How off am I?
We met smack dab in the middle through negotiation at 3,000 bucks.
No. Are
And
you
it's
serious?
the Zignil package, $144,000.
Yeah, the twin turbo version. That's amazing.
And there it is.
Oh wow, yep.
There it is. Oh, nice color. Nice.
Oh, look at
that's
that.
Graphite gray color.
Apparently it's a special Diagnosing option.
It's got the special S430 wheels.
There it is.
$3,000.
Yeah, 3,000.
man.
Okay, we got a little stuff to fix up there.
That's okay.
AMG.
Electronic.
Yeah, I noticed that on the options list. AMG Sport Pack, that was like 5,000 bucks or something crazy.
Dude, the interior is like mint.
Oh yeah, how's it? Oh, dang.
The interior is mint.
That's where that $9,000 package went.
I mean, Mercedes.
Oh yeah, Diagnosing.
Right
there.
Right.
Wow, that's kind
Mercedes
of rare.
leather usually holds up really well, but I mean, no one has ever sat in this seat.
Wow. Okay, this is looking good so far. This is looking like a big home run.
All right, I'm getting right to it.
You brought the tools. This is the huge lifesaver, Alex having the tools and parts to hopefully fix this. But let's take a look.
Real quick, why is it unlocked? The owner's not here yet to meet us, and
Because no one wants an S600.
Yeah, how's this thing not gotten stolen yet? It's been here parked for like many months. That's pretty clean.
oh, it has a
The shocks are bad, so we'll do a
Oh, this is how you know he's a real Mercedes mechanic.
just a bad tensioner. Like from the pictures you guys sent me, that's why I was like, yes, we could probably fix something, but you got to send me some pictures.
Right. So yeah, we sent Alex this little picture of just the front of the engine to see if he could see if something was wrong that would have caused the serpentine belt to snap off. And there is a tensioner that is looking no bueno, but with a big V12, everything's packed in
it
here
is super packed. We
so
normally have
tightly.
Twin turbos.
Yeah.
Crazy how they fit this huge thing in here, but so that'll make it a little challenging.
Yeah, just in general, like the spring-loaded belt tensioners on pretty much any car can fail, especially at this mileage. It may be original.
Did the pulley break off of it, or did the...
Yeah, it looks like the pulley just blew up.
So those coil packs, there's no way to really tell if they're new unless they got like new hardware, right?
Yeah, no, I don't think
Okay.
we can physically see the update.
All right, hopefully they're not the originals because those are expensive.
They're probably not the originals. They've probably gone bad multiple times at this point.
Okay, cool.
We may not have to take off this front core, actually. We might be able to slide this. We're getting the fan out for sure.
Okay, okay.
But yeah, we might be able to just...
It's the 5.5 liter. If it was a 6 liter, like your Hoovies car. How's that going, by the way? Hoovies old CL65.
Well, it's not going well, and you guys are actually getting parts off the CL65 engine right now.
What? Thanks, Hoovies.
Yeah. I ordered the tensioner. They sent me one for a V8.
Oh,
So I'm like, that's okay. I have a spare CL65.
we are stealing a part off Hoovies' old CL65 that he's working on that is
I still haven't gotten the cylinder head, so there's nothing I can do.
so just kind of sitting, engine separated from the car, right?
Yeah,
Car up on a lift.
million pieces, yeah.
This is awesome. That's what we need. Jumper cables, we're gonna need those.
That'll be good,
Sucker's
'cause
been
the
dead for a
good
while.
jumpers-
Yeah, our buddy Anthony, who works at Mercedes Benz in the Bethesda, Maryland, he
At got_AMG.
yeah, huge shout out to him. He was able to pull up the window sticker, the original window sticker, and it came out to I think about $144,000, which in today's money is well over 200K. All right, guys, so we got Hassan here. Dude, thank you so much for making this deal possible. It's crazy. So you and your brother just sent us a message on Instagram,
Yeah,
right?
that's right on DM.
And you're like, hey, got this car. It's an extra car.
Yeah.
So with it not running, you guys
Yeah,
just
so you
kind of wanted to
fly back and
get rid of it.
surprise.
Yeah, it was crazy. I just came across the DM. I'm like, cheap V12 Mercedes, you have my attention.
Well,
and
thank you so much for thinking of us, and that might be why, because did you catch some of the S600 videos maybe, or
I
our
just watch
other...
all of those. That's
Oh,
my
no way.
podcast.
So you watched our original V12 videos,
Yeah.
and then now you had one of your own that needed a little bit of work and was just sitting. He's got to run to school, but we did the key handoff. He woke up so early. Thank you very much once again, and it's going to a good home. Yeah, this is quite the upgrade. Okay guys, back with the car. Hassan just gave us the key. So we are in business and we are gonna begin the work. Alex is actually filming a little mini vlog for his channel. So you guys got to check out his channel. If you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? You have to go subscribe to his channel. He makes fantastic content. It's true. So much DIY work. You can learn so much by watching his videos. We've learned so much over the years. And yeah, the link will be right down in the description below.
A lot more.
And we're about to learn a lot more.
A belt tensioner on an S600.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
You got a little coolant leak going on here.
Oh,
Okay.
Nothing
By
too
the
crazy.
thermostat or something,
Yeah.
or...
It's probably just the seal. That's no big
Okay.
deal. You guys could definitely
Yeah.
use this. Yeah, I don't believe on these we need to take the entire front core on. A lot of Mercedes, it's kind of like cut here, so it's a little mini core.
Oh,
and you
yeah.
can pop that off, and then it gives you a ton of room. But
this one is
I forget it. This is a little bit of a longer one, but
piece,
but it's
yeah.
okay. I think we can still squeeze this out of the way.
Have you been in one of these with the coilovers swapped in?
No. Oh, right.
Yeah.
So wait, how long has it been sitting in this
4
parking lot?
months.
It's been in this parking lot for 4
4 months.
Guys, if this was in Chicago, it wouldn't have lasted 4 hours. Like, this is insane.
Yep. So I noticed that. I'm like, wait, it's not sagging.
Okay, so this is why this thing is not sagging. It has a coilover conversion.
So walking around the rest of the car, it's in pretty good shape overall. One thing that is crazy, so like we said with that $144,000 sticker price, this car had the $9,000 Diagnosing Graphite Gray Edition. So that came with the special paint, which is actually a crazy metallic. In the light, it looks insane and it's dirty, so I can't wait to see it clean. But also came with the special interior and some other bits on the car. This thing is completely decked out with options. We have the full AC heated adjustable seats. So these move forward and back and they're like massaging and crazy stuff. Look at all the legroom. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I'm 6'6" and I have so much legroom at my height. This like never happens. All the luxury features you can imagine, and this car is from 2003, so 18 years old, and it is still this high tech. It has adaptive cruise control, Distronic. That was like, I don't know, a couple $1,000 up front. Oh wow, these seats feel amazing. They look great. The Diagnosing branding, engine start stop on the top. Yeah, it just needs a good cleaning. I mean, overall, it's in pretty good shape. Just a little bit of rust starting to form here. We are in Wisconsin, Chicago. I mean, that's pretty typical on a car. We'll possibly swap on our Lawrencer wheels that we have on the S600 onto this S600, because those look really cool. Not sure, but I can already see they're about to remove the fan.
All right, we're about to create a whole lot of space here.
That's right.
Yes.
That is always a satisfying feeling.
This is really the only way to work on anything on these cars. Right?
Come on, baby. Yes. Victory. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, look at all that room. We got a whopping 6 inches now.
We can work with that.
I think we can.
Think about the
we should
core.
just start rebuilding this engine too.
Yeah,
Actually,
come on.
Let me get these heads real quick. So this should spin, and there should be an actual plastic pulley around it, but that is no longer. So
That's the culprit. 100%.
yeah, this thing is just locked up solid through the belt. You can see some of the rubber had kind of melted on some stuff. I mean, these are only like probably 80 bucks or something. It's probably about the cheapest thing you can get for an S600.
All right, well, there's the culprit. Now, gotta go about replacing it.
There's one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah. I don't think this is original either. Might have been a cheap aftermarket.
Don't use cheap aftermarket parts on your expensive cars.
Oh wait, no, I'm wrong. No. Unless mine's a cheap aftermarket too.
Could be the original, and that's why
Yeah.
after all these miles, it finally gave up.
Look at this is the pulley.
Oh!
That was this.
Oh,
There
yeah.
you go. See, it's good as new. We'll just snap it back in.
Yeah, let's put it back on. This is balling on a budget. We gotta just super glue this back together. Awesome, new one going on, just like that.
Like, we got a
Here's the
nice
belt.
continental belt.
Okay. We look away for 1 minute and you got the belt on already.
Yeah, no, this belt's not that bad, so it is on and we are ready for the fan.
Yeah, and I mean, nothing's gonna go wrong where we should start it and test the...
I mean, we could see if it'll throw it right now. Pretty confident, but yeah, sure, let's do it. Then it'll be good for the video too.
The two German brothers
Right.
fueling each other battery-wise. Here we go. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's starting to light up the trunk. Okay, we hooked up the battery. I don't know if this will be enough juice, but are you ready, Christian? You ready up there, Alex? If it does fire off?
Ready to go.
Okay, give it a try. It's enough juice. Come on.
2, 1.
Oh! Oh! What? It did work. It's running for the first time in 4 months.
It sounds really good.
That does. That started right up.
Oh, smooth as butter.
Wow.
Because the battery's been dead. Ooh. Power steering. Wow. So, I mean, we still have the tandem pump there with the belt on. It's got to be out of fluid. It's slow, but it's still there. Like, I would think it would still work.
Yeah. At least that part's working, but we're trying to address the lack of power steering.
I've never done an ABC swap. Like, it's like this connector's not plugged in, which is probably normal, but I was under the impression that they would swap in a normal power steering pump in place of the tandem pump, but apparently not.
And look at this, back to no access at all. So that
right.
really helps.
All right, so there's the old Carnage. That thing is going bye-bye. Got the new one on, all buttoned up. Look at this huge V12. This is a work of art, this thing. Dude, it started up so nicely. It was so quiet too. I thought, oh, battery must be dead.
That's something to be said for the 335i, I guess, and a good set of jumper cables. I was able to turn this big V12 right over.
Started right up. Okay, going for another start?
Yeah, ready?
Okay, let's hear this.
When I tell you,
Boom.
BMW's not even running.
Not running?
Those jumper cables they're monsters. Man.
Wow.
Oh, I thought we had it back for a second. I'm like, ooh. But it's not like 100% gone. It's
Right.
It's like 80%. Is it moving at all when I do this?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm like, this doesn't feel.
And
Yeah.
I'm hearing that on the
Yeah,
phone.
like this doesn't feel like play. It's moving. It has like a little bit of power
Yeah.
assist. I don't know, man. Let's go drive it. They have a mind of their own.
Yep.
Let's just go drive it and see what happens.
Let's do that. It's incredible how smooth this is, purring away.
I don't even think the engine mounts are bad, which is like a big job on these.
Oh, okay, great.
Feels so good.
Wow.
This is a great deal.
Nope, not
This is a
misfiring.
serious deal right here.
Okay, you heard him here himself. It was just street cars.
It needs a little body work, but
Uh-huh.
I like it.
Some things we could tinker with, you know. I like cleaning, I like...
There's nothing wrong with having like a beater twin turbo V12 car.
Right. Let's go for a little drive, I guess. See what happens, here we go. And drop it. There's that Distronic for the adaptive cruise control. The first car to have this back in, I think, 2001. So yeah, we're still trying to figure out this power steering issue. You can see when he ever so slightly turns the wheels move. So it's not fully manual, but it's not working 100% right. So we're gonna look into that. We're gonna do it on a test drive, but worst case, you know, that's one thing that needs to be addressed for sure, but let's see what happens.
It's not something that's gonna keep us put here though, that's for sure. We're gonna be able to drive it, hopefully, to Madison, Wisconsin in the next video, really put it through its first trip. But right now, certainly want to take it for a test drive and check our work and check this car out, see if it's really everything we thought it would be.
All right, Alex is parked at 335. Let's hop in. Christian, close the trunk.
Got an electronic boot?
I don't know, those never work. Of course. Why do these never work?
It'll probably fix itself once the battery charges.
Okay.
It has it'll shut down convenience features as the battery charges. So stuff that's not like 100% necessary to get you going, it'll shut down.
Okay. Woohoo, baby. First drive. Here we go.
That it feels right.